I never ever visited. It's not yet. Our country, it's my place, lots of forest. I have one short video that I'm showing my. I forgot to put in my content that it's my place. It's very nice when you go on the road like this. It's all trees green. Shout out po kay Tio Pilos. Javier, thank you. Ayan, shout out kay Chupilos. Sino ba Chupilos? You have taken a bath. Already I took a bath in the morning. But now before I will sleep, only I will wash my body. Don't need my hair because it's hard to comb. Tomorrow again, I'll take a shower. I will wash my hair. You're still wearing black bra from this afternoon. No, I changed. This only I wear quick, and after that I changed because I went out. My black bra, I removed already. I removed already. It is night right now. Yes, it is night. Here it's what time now? Now it's 19. 7:35 p.m. here. You have a son or daughter? I have 2 sons and 2 daughters. Pa-shout out kay Sam Bistoka. Ayan, shout out kay Sam Bistoka from Javier Bistoka. No. Wala. Punta Pachal, thank you so much. Abdullah, thank you. Where are you living? I live in Philippines. Kobe John, thank you so much. Diana, pa-shout out po. Shout out sa'yo, Diana. Where do you live, Diana? Kate, Jeneline. Jane Casiano, reveal your son or daughter. Ibatang na ni sa rep kung di magkakawon ako abuko, yun ako sa Gogo. Si Gogo baka magkakawon niya to. Greetings from Turkey, Abdullah. Thank you so much. Boss D, I'm Mama, your province is Alba right now. We have coming concert, Mommy, in your place this coming December. See you there, Mommy. Talaga? Saan kayo magko-concert? Last time this, July 25, we have some people, they came here to do concert in our place, Libon. I think December I'm not here already because I'm going at this coming September. I don't know. Monto Pascal. Shandu, hi there, happy birthday. It's not my birthday, it's my sister daughter. It's my sister daughter. It's my sister daughter granddaughter. Michaela, nice one, thank you. Hola Jose, thank you. Greetings from South Africa. Thank you so much, Shandu, please. Lagay mo sa langurugak na may ginide, kamsa ko magparayit sintabo, ha? Naubos na sintabo. Pam, tawag ka ni Mama. Pam, pulkong ka naman.